Most probably, the reason you are here, you want to create a development environment with Qt for Raspberry Pi. You spend your days, hours to create it, or you cannot find any clean tutorial, then you are in the right place. In this video, all together, we create an Ubuntu virtual machine for Qt, actually to cross-compile the Qt applications for Raspberry Pi environment. All the things and much more information are available in the link below. We follow the instructions in this link now. So, first we set up a virtual machine with VirtualBox. You can download the Ubuntu image freely. Then, we make our Raspberry Pi ready. Finally, we will compile the Qt binaries for our Raspberry Pi hardware. Also, simple example will be available. After this tutorial series, you can develop powerful applications with Qt on Raspberry Pi. So first, download the VirtualBox and Ubuntu desktop image in this link. Then, I just download it here. Then, open the VirtualBox, choose New, give a name for your VirtualBox, virtual machine, Qt Rasp. This will be a Linux. Ubuntu 64-bit is okay. I just give around 6 GB RAM. Okay. I just give here 30 GB. Open it. Choose in the desktop, which is mine. Okay. Install Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard. For example, mine, Y. Please press one of the following keys. W is the following key present on your keyboard. Yes, O, and it's mine in Turkish. It's okay. Continue. Normal installation. Yep. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. Okay. Continue. Okay. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. This is the virtual image. Don't worry, your disk. Yep. This is where I am here. My password is 1234. 1234. Login automatically. Restart now. Just press enter. You said yeah. Okay, here is Ubuntu. Now make ready the Raspberry Pi. Now I will flash my SD card with this imager, with this one. You can download it from the internet freely. And also I will use the PuTTY for SSH connection. Also download the Raspberry Pi image, latest one. Open this imager. Choose the correct device. Now from a desktop, where is desktop? Here. It's the Raspbian stretch image. In right. Yes. This is write successful. Now we will make an SSH enable to connect our Raspberry Pi. To click OK, then Windows and R, which is Command exe, and which the name. Let's check. Type E, which is the name of your SD card. Then make a directory name SSH. Then OK. Close them. Just remove the SD card. Insert it to the Raspberry Pi. Then power the Raspberry Pi. Here is an important thing before the start. Please don't power your Raspberry Pi from your USB port. Please use a recommended power supply. Otherwise, you will have the problems that you cannot solve it. We will use the GPU to create any graphical user interface which needs a current, the power. Then your USB port cannot supply enough power for your Raspberry Pi. Then some problems, I don't know, will happen. So please use recommended or a better power supply for your Raspberry Pi environment, Raspberry Pi hardware, let's say. Download the PuTTY and open it. It's a free also. The port 22, it's the SSH port. Find out your Raspberry Pi IP address. I know it. Yes. First time, the login as a Pi, then a Raspberry is a password, and I just type wrong. Raspberry. Okay. Open the link. We will follow these instructions. Now, for the Raspberry Pi, sudo nano etc ssh config. Find the permit root login line here. Say yes. Make a comment. Ctrl X and Y. Now sudo give a password for root. Password root. It's -1 2 3 4, like every time. Okay. Then sudo reboot. I want to be a root during all the process. That's why I'm doing this. Also, we will do it in the Ubuntu. So after a few seconds, I will restart the session. Yup. Now root and 1 2 3 4. So great. So great. We are root now. Root user, yeah. We are human, So be sure you can ping to the internet like that. It should be important. Then copy here. The right click from the mouse. You can paste directly. And comment this. I don't write there, but I will write down here. I didn't write it. Uncomment this, then Control X and Y, and apt-get update. Then apt-get dist upgrade. Now make reboot. We are here now, and we will make an RPI update. After some time, I restart the session again. It's not working now. Let's duplicate the session. Yeah, it's come. Yup. Root 1234 is mine. And RPI update. This is important. Update, not an update. Yeah. As it says, the reboot is needed. Just to give a reboot. Then I restart the session again. Root our name 1234 the password. Now be sure the update is okay. Then do it. RPI update again. Yep. We are waiting. Yep. Your firmware is already up to date. You should see this one. If you don't see this one, try RPI update again, or still you have a problem to see, flash your SD card again. If your firmware is not already up to date, then you will have some dependency problems, some missing packages. These are not good, okay? Believe me, not good. So then Qt5 make we should install. Copy, paste. Yeah, Qt base open source. Yeah, I know it. Yes. It says something like that. Try again. I just tried again. I have some problem about the connection sometimes lost. Then build dep, Battlib Qt5 web engine. Enter. Yep. After that, this line. Yes. Then make a directory, name qt5pi, about the access. So for right now, Raspberry Pi is okay, is ready. Then go back to the Ubuntu. So don't turn off your Raspberry Pi. Okay, I just opened this web page in the virtual machine. Be sure also to open a new terminal, Control Alt and T, which is a terminal. It's open. First, we need to give us super user password, like with before. So the password root 1234 1234 1234. Yep. Su 1234. Okay. Then .com engineering here cute. Then where is it? In Ubuntu. Yeah, we did this and this one, and now for update, now apt-get and y upgrade, just copy and just over then the middle button of the mouse. It works in Linux. Just enter. Yeah, don't ask, it's good. After that, install gcc, and here pkk config is a button at the gcc, but just install. Yes. And make a directory in opt, name it qt5. So about the access, then go there. So install the tools, which is in the foreign tool chains for Raspberry Pi. We will look at it. By the way, open a new terminal. Be a super user. To be sure you can ping to the Raspberry Pi. Like that. Be sure that it works. So we are waiting to go there. Simply and tools, then ARM, it's the name of the processor. Then for the Raspberry Pi, I think then ARM RPI 493, then binary, yep, ARM Linux Knife CCC artık, yep. This tool can cross-compile your simple applications. For example, let's create an example C. Include standard AO, int main, printf simply something, I just hello world, then return 0. Now copy here to there, sorry, then the right path you should give qt5 minus output example C. So if you ls the list directories, there will be example, the green one, the file example. It is seen that it's compiled for ARM environment. Now send it to the Raspberry Pi, root at with secure copy to the home directory. Yes, 1 2 3 4, yep, and Pi we didn't close, you know. Then go to home directory. Let's not touch this, just a new session we open. Okay, root 1 2 3 4, go to the home, and there is an example just came before, you know. Then an example, run it, and as seen, we didn't break the end line, there is a hello world. It compiled crossly. You cannot run it here, cannot execute binary exec format error, because it's compiled for Raspberry Pi environment. Raspberry Pi environment, I mean the Intel one, not Intel, sorry. Your host environment is Intel, the Raspberry Pi environment is ARM. They are totally different architecture. We need something like a compilation which called a cross compilation, I can say, yeah. So where are we? I just lost myself. Then yeah, we install the tool, then we should add the path to the path variable /c, the end of the line, end of the file. Just copy it, and here, sorry, it's okay, yeah, it's okay. It's not, the width is not enough to show the entire path, yeah. Control XY, then reboot. So simply the tool chain, it works, it's good. Come on. Well, I should reopen my website. Yeah, thank you. Super user, then go to their qt5, and let's echo the path variable to see it works. Yep, as you see, Qt5 PI tools, which we download the tools, the cross compilation, the tool chains. I mean, it was added to paths. It's okay. Now we download the Qt here. I just download this version. You can download the later versions, not the before one. Okay. Yeah, it takes some time because it's 2 minutes. It's not, I think, the real one. Yeah. So it can take much time. So, you know, just go and take some cup of coffee, some beer, I don't know, do something, okay? If it takes some time, but as seen, it's really fast. Yeah, thanks my connection, internet connection. Yeah, I'm really shocked. Yeah. And now tar, and let's see. Yeah, as seen. Yep. And extract the file with this one. Now I think it's okay. We should create the file for our Raspberry Pi and also to change the QMake configuration file. Yep. And create a system root file. Be sure you should stay Qt5pi file in OPT. Be sure that it's okay. Synchronize with the Raspberry Pi, the system root and the lib file. 1, 2, 3, 4. These comments actually are important. If some of the files are not synchronized correctly, then some dependency problems still will be occur. Be sure they will be okay. We will see now how to be sure. Now the next one. You can add the SSH key if you don't want the enter the password of your Raspberry Pi again, but such a few times doesn't matter for me. That is why I didn't, so the next one, just user include, yeah, lib and system root user 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it takes some files from the Raspberry Pi for Qt compilation. I mean binary compilation. We compile the binaries a few seconds later now. After that, the last one, I just stopped the recording during the installations, synchronization, That is why it's actually this was and takes some time. That's why I'm saying that. So copy it, the last one. It should be not long. I'm not sure, but yeah. So we use the EGL, which is an embedded graphics library. So to point it, then create a symbolic link. Okay, move the other one. Create a symbolic link for this one also. And this one, just copy it. Is there any problem? No, it's okay. Copy it. Now to make them a relative link, and just install this one. Yeah, it's okay. Then change mode, about the permission, run it. Yeah. Sometimes here it is better to check the synchronization. So check again. 1 2 3 4. As seen, there is still a files not synchronized. This is not good. If it is like that with you, then do it again, all of them. 1 2 3 4. Yes. 1 2 3 4. Password. Oh, much. Then the last one. Oops. 1 2 3 4. And make again relatively. Yeah. Let's check again the last one. Yep. Password. It's okay, I think, because the null here. Synchronized file again. So make directory qt5 build. Qt5 build Jedi there. Go there. And if you use a Raspberry Pi 3, you should device type here. If you use, for example, I used Raspberry Pi 3, then I type here as I like this. Then you can use the different Raspberry Pi versions, for example Pi 2, then change here only, copy it and enter. Qt is now configured for building. Just run make. Yeah, this is good news. There is no problem. Then make -G4, or just you can make, but it's much more faster. This one. It takes some time. Also, about 1 hour, I think. I think the other one takes 1 hour, the installation. I'm not sure. Just take some still cup of coffee, you know. So I will stop recording here. By the way, I like this flowing characters, like, you know, really. I just watching for much than 15 minutes. I think I'm crazy, yeah. You know. Hi everyone, after for a long time, then last thing, just make an install So then it's okay now. Go to back. Let's say like this. Then send the binaries to the Raspberry Pi. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the needed and dependencies, binaries for Raspberry Pi. We don't have to install the Qt creator just right now. We have some simple application, hello world application. Let's try it. Okay, I just create a new terminal and a super user, then go to desktop and create a file like an hello example. Go there and nano main cpp. Just copy this, Control X, CY, then the profile we need, which is I just give the untitled pro, nano untitled pro, copy here, Control X and Y. Then we simply call qmake to create a make file for us. It is located in Qt5 system root user local and Qt5 again. I think, yeah, bin and qmake, yeah. Creating a stash file is okay. And as seen, there's a make file. Make file is not wasn't there before. Then just a make. It gives us an untitled executable file. We can check what is it with a file. Then it's ARM. So send it to the Raspberry Pi. To home directory. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go to Raspberry Pi. There's an untitled file, untitled, as seen, it's an ARM, we checked before. Then run it. Hello world. So we set up the Qt environment with for cross compilation for Raspberry Pi. It works. I think it's okay for right now. In the next video, we will talk about the Qt creator. We create LED blinking example. So guys, it's okay. It is all about, I wish you will create great projects, great applications with Qt. So see you again. Bye.